If you're preparing for the C ASCP exam, you already know it's one of the most challenging certification tests in laboratory science. Most candidates struggle not because they lack knowledge, but because the exam questions feel long, tricky, and overwhelming. That's why strong C ASCP classes are essential. The right resource can simplify tough concepts, cut through confusion, and give you a clear strategy to pass on your first try. In this video, I'll break down the 3 best C ASCP classes, explain what makes each one unique, and end with the most complete option. One of these is MLSIAcademy, the global leader in ASCP certification prep, and you need to see why it consistently ranks number 1. By the end of this list, you'll know which class best fits your study style, your timeline, and your learning needs. Number 3. C ASCP classes from Board Vitals. Board Vitals is best known for large question banks. The platform emphasizes repetition through timed quizzes and practice tests. It's especially useful for candidates familiar with self-study formats. However, there are no structured classes or live instruction available. Learners must build their own study plan from the questions. For independent learners, this resource offers solid practice test coverage. Number 2. C ASCP classes from Mamatrix Test Preparation. Mamatrix is widely used for medical test prep materials. The C ASCP book series focuses on outlines and flashcards. Their videos are short and easy to digest for busy students. However, Mamatrix lacks interactive teaching or adaptive practice systems. Content is broad, but not fully aligned with ASCP exam complexity. This option works best as a supplementary tool, not a complete program. Number 1. C ASCP classes from MLSIAcademy. MLSIAcademy delivers the most structured and complete study system. Live online classes bring direct teaching from experienced instructors. Class recordings are included for flexible review anytime. The no-fluff study guide ebook covers only high-yield content. Students also get a personalized study plan for better pacing. A clear pass the exam, action plan guides test day readiness. Most importantly, MLSI provides 4 unique question banks. That includes Q and AMP, assets, topic quizzes, practice exams, and mock exams. This layered approach builds knowledge, recall, speed, and confidence. Compared to other providers, MLSIA is comprehensive, not piecemeal. It's the top choice for serious candidates aiming to pass on the first try. Let's quickly recap. Board Vitals is strong for practice questions, but lacks classes. Mamatrix offers simple visual study aids, yet misses exam-level rigor. MLSIAcademy stands out as the most complete resource, combining live teaching, recordings, a concise study guide, a personalized study plan, a tested pass strategy, and advanced question banks. If you're searching for C ASCP classes that simplify the hardest exam topics, MLSI consistently ranks number 1. In the next video, I'll break down how to build a C ASCP study plan step by step. If you want to see real timelines that work, make sure you don't miss it. Subscribe to this channel, leave a comment if you've tried any of these resources, and share what helped you most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.